Attitude is open, right? Open. 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 See? Open. So I change. Hong, you change, I change. Okay. Okay. Just change freely from left to right. I don't insist, say you fight me.
Yeah.
Fight me.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't insist.
Right.
You fight me, I change. You see? Good. Oh, sorry, dominoes. Don't fight. Stay calm. Come. Okay. Good. Come. Yes. Don't fight. Follow. Go. Feng Song. Change. Sorry. E commands Qi. Qi moves power. But you still can't use a microphone. Feng Song. I decide where I want it to go. You see? It goes. The Qi goes where the E goes. Okay, yeah.
Could you hold somebody on the ground?
Yes, he's done it.
Yeah.
Hold me on the ground.
It's good. It's good. Come. Why can't you push?
You rock.
I'm not rock.
You're so.
Okay, I say go. Wait. And then you come. I say no. Don't come. You mean like that? Yeah. You can. You see? You. Cute. Come. Come. Boop. Same. Patrick's always fun because he's
Yeah, it's on for you.
he's a fighter, so there's plenty in there. You can't fight something that doesn't exist. Attitude must be open. If the mind is in fight or flight, the qi is twitchy. If the qi is twitchy, the body contracts. Not so. You must become dead. There's a story from Changsu, or whatever his name is, about the cockfighting training. Anyway, the essence of it is you want to train the cock up. There's a professional cock trainer. He comes and trains the rooster to fight.
Almost as bad as head coach.
Yes. So he comes and trains the rooster, right? And the rooster looks all badass. No, he's not ready. Comes the next week, he's scaring all the other roosters away. No, he's not ready. Comes the next week, the rooster's like, he's in abstraction. He's ready. You cannot be touched. How can you disturb? Nothing. The mind must be clear and empty. This is what we want to develop. Okay? So the only way to do that is through daily life, about trying to be a bit cooler than before and a little bit less mental and screwed up all the time. Yep. Okay, keep going, keep training.